Robots can handle dangerous tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of production. And guess what? These are just a few examples. AI is also making significant strides in fields like agriculture, where it helps farmers optimize crop yields and reduce waste. AI is revolutionizing pretty much every industry out there, from transportation to finance to entertainment. In transportation, AI systems are improving traffic management and paving the way for autonomous vehicles. In finance, AI algorithms are enhancing fraud detection and personalizing customer experiences. That means there are tons of new job opportunities popping up all the time. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, there's a place for you in this AI-driven world. So, keep an eye out for these exciting opportunities and be ready to embrace the future of work. Section 4. Future-proofing your skills in the age of AI. So how do you stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly changing job market? The key lies in adaptability and a commitment to lifelong learning. As technology advances at an unprecedented pace, the skills that are in demand today might become obsolete tomorrow. The answer is simple. Never stop learning. Enroll in courses, attend workshops, and stay curious. The more you learn, the more you grow. AI is constantly evolving, which means the skills needed to thrive in this new world are always changing too. Keeping up with these changes requires a proactive approach. Focus on developing your critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. These skills are not only essential for navigating complex AI systems, but also for making informed decisions in any field. These skills are crucial for understanding and interpreting the insights generated by AI systems. Data analysis and interpretation are becoming increasingly important in a data-driven world. And don't forget about creativity and emotional intelligence. These uniquely human traits are irreplaceable and will set you apart in an AI-dominated landscape. These uniquely human skills will become even more valuable as AI takes over more routine tasks. Embrace change, stay curious, and keep learning to future-proof your career in the age of AI. Section 5. A future forged by AI and human ingenuity. The future of work is a collaboration between humans and AI. It's not about one replacing the other. It's about leveraging the strengths of both to create a more efficient, innovative, and equitable world. So don't be afraid of AI. Embrace it. View it as a tool that can augment your capabilities and open up new possibilities. The future is bright, and with the right skills and mindset, we can all thrive in this exciting new era of AI-powered innovation.